Skincare serums are lightweight, fast-absorbing liquids that deliver high concentrations of active ingredients directly into the skin. They are designed to target specific skin concerns such as wrinkles, dark spots, dehydration, dullness, acne, and uneven skin tone. Unlike moisturizers, which mainly hydrate and create a barrier on the skin's surface, serums penetrate deeper into the skin, making them more effective for treatment purposes. Common active ingredients in serums include hyaluronic acid for hydration, vitamin C for brightening and reducing pigmentation, retinol for anti-aging, niacinamide for minimizing pores and controlling oil, and salicylic acid for acne treatment. Because of their powerful ingredients, serums can produce visible results faster than other skincare products when used consistently and correctly. They are typically applied after cleansing and toning but before moisturizing, to allow the skin to absorb the ingredients fully without any barriers. Serums are suitable for all skin types, but it's important to choose one based on individual skin needs and concerns. For example, someone with dry skin may benefit from a hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid or glycerin, while someone with oily or acne-prone skin might look for a serum with niacinamide or salicylic acid. Anti-aging serums often contain retinol or peptides, which help improve skin texture and reduce fine lines over time. It's essential to apply only a small amount, usually a few drops, since serums are concentrated, and using too much can cause irritation. Also, some serums, like those with retinol or strong acids, should be used at night and always followed by sunscreen in the morning to protect the skin. Overall, serums play a powerful role in a complete skincare routine by offering targeted care and boosting the effectiveness of other products. When chosen wisely and used regularly, they can lead to clearer, brighter, and healthier-looking skin.